Hey, good afternoon. This is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. It is Friday, March 2nd, 3:01 p.m., and it's good to see the market selling up instead of down. Isn't that a nice, refreshing change? Took us a little while to get through the prior close. Couple of attempts, 6 attempts, but finally busted through all of that sellers sitting there trying to push it back down each time. Finally busted out and made it up to my profit target. And that was on a fib low to high profit target. And very nice. We had messaging today. We had the White House. Oh, did you know that we have a Secretary of Commerce? He was very well spoken. He was very calmly addressed the Bloomberg audience, and he said, this is actually going to be a good thing for America. They are overproducing steel and aluminum, and they are dumping their product, cheap product, overproduced product in the United States, running our steel companies out of business. So once he explained it, why the president wants to put the tariffs in place, the messaging was there. I think messaging first, then announcement. The markets loved it, and so we're rallying back up. So, lesson learned, the markets will be impacted by everything that is said. Be careful. And messaging is so important. So, here is the direction guide filter template. And so you can see this nice little rally up. And if you want to take the trades, you just set it and forget it. Yes. Very nice. So thankfully, we're moving in the right direction. And like I said, messaging also important. So going into the end of the day, 3 o'clock, a little bit of mixed ranges now that it's pulling back off the profit target, but very good. We're into positive territory, and it is nice to see these up thrusts at the end of the day instead of the last few days, those down rallies. So let me take a look at the daily chart real quick. Get all of my drawing objects off of here so we can see what's going on. So we are now moving back up. We got to the middle of the channel, and that's exactly where I said that buyers, if they're going to step in, should be stepping in. They took it down just a little bit, I think, to clear some stops. Everybody's sitting at 6,700, and then they rallied it up. So very good. I think we're back on track to what should be next week. We'll clear this upward channel again and get our upward trajectory. I don't want to see it get to that channel top and then bounce back down to this mid-band. And I think that will largely have to do with what comes out of the White House. So if we can keep everything copacetic and talk quietly, I think this market is going to start rallying. I mean, we had the best ISM manufacturing report this week, 60. That means that the S&P 500 over the next 2 months should get back to its high. So, like I said, if we speak quietly, we're going to watch this market exceed its highs from the past history of what happens on those very strong ISM manufacturing reports. So, fingers crossed. All right. All right. I'll stop talking. And I appreciate you so much. Y'all have a great weekend, and we will see you Monday. I'm done for the weekend. Bye.